How much money was Lil Uzi Vert standing on when he said,
Stand on my money, I'm tall as Mutombo.
Dikembe Mutombo was 7'2", rest in peace, and Lil Uzi is 5'4". These two heights are 86 and 64 inches, giving us a difference of 22 inches. The thickness of a US dollar bill is 0.0043 inches thick. So we'll take the difference of 22 and divide it by 0.0043, the thickness of a US dollar bill, to give us 5,116.279. But no, not today, because Lil Uzi needs 2 stacks of money for his 2 feet. So multiply 5,116 by 2 to get 10,232 physical dollar bill. We'll assume these are hundreds because why would Lil Uzi stand on like 1s, 5s, 10s, 20s, or like a quarter? I don't even know. Giving us an answer of $1,023,255 to stand on his money and be as tall as Mutombo. Fun, but not so fun fact, I actually calculated all of Lil Uzi's mathematical rap lyrics in this video right here. I double dog dare you to watch it.
Stand on my money, I'm tall as Mutombo.